Hey people, how yeah. It's very different, ain't it? We had the tea, which is very nice. I'm not sure what we're watching, but that's fine. But let's find out what we're watching, eh? We're gonna have a good look, see what good on. My hair is a mess today, so I'm sorry about that, people. But we're gonna be fine. Sexy me in the mirror. Right. Yeah, that's in frame, that's cool. Okay. Let's see what's on. Right. I'm not sure what we've got on, but we'll see what's on today's. Star Cinema. There's new Pirates of the Caribbean out. I've never watched it in my life. There's a new movie called A First Kill. That's cool. Okay. That's enough of that. What's that other thing I've been watching? Coach Trip, Brendan Sheeran. That's another cool thing, that is. Amazing. Where is it? Fucking Celebrity Big Brother. He watches that shit in his house. Coach trip to Tenerife. There we go. All right. Fucking Coach Trip. Don't you just love it? Anyway, people, I'm going to film it from here because it's a bit different, but that's Coach Trip. It's been amazing to watch so far. That's wow. I'm not sure if it's the end of the vlog, but we'll go from there. It's probably not the end of the vlog, no. I've done one part, which is the first part. This is the second part. I'm going to do the end. And another first part for the final. First final. So we'll see ya. I'm just going shopping. Got my Tesco's bag. Oh yeah. This is Vloggers for Life. It's like YouTube name. Oh yeah, this is my first day going out in public and doing this and that. It feels a bit weird going out in public. I'm so nervous, and no, I shouldn't be, because people do this all the time. And that's quite cool, actually. There's another lady here. Oh, she looks kind of fine. I'm going to pause it for a second. A dog has just come up to me, and I don't really like dogs. I don't know why. I feel quite distant from dogs for some reason. I'm going to have to look into that. completely. I'll look into that. I should feel actually close to dogs actually, because freaking companions, ain't they? Hell yeah. Sorry if you guys can't even see my videos in this video. I'm gonna cut to the next scene and go from there. Hell yeah. Today I don't know what I'm doing, can buy or whatever, but it's going to be a nice little treat I'm going to buy myself. Hell yeah. It's not too cold today, no. Swap past this guy. Boy, he looks dodgy as shit. Yeah, he's dodgy. Hopefully he ain't. It's the only reason I don't like walking through these parks. I'm going to cut it off now because this is the beginning of the vlog, and we'll go from there. Thank you. So give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, leave a comment, ding dong, that bell. Thank you. This vlog is for life. How you doing? Sorry about it's been quite dark, but it's going to be fine. Pause. People, how you doing? I decided to cut that slot video early, but I'll edit it earlier. I just had to cut across this crackhead. Okay. It's gonna park now, but fucking junkie teens. That's why I hate this town. And if I can get away from here. Makes me sick, this town does. Hell yeah. So if you like what you see, people, thumbs up, like, subscribe, leave a comment, ding dong, that bell. Thank you. Hopefully this will be the vlog. I don't know. Is the end of the vlog.